How battle arenas can power the future of play-to-earn gaming. The power of battle arenas, multiplayer battle arenas, League of Legends, Fortnite, Smite, Call of Duty, proved huge because they turn competition into habit, identity, and social play. In this video, we'll show how those same hooks can be combined with scarcity, token rewards, and smart marketplaces so players earn, collect, and trade in a stable, long-term economy that benefits both players and studios. League succeeded with social incentives. Invite friends, grind together, unlock shared rewards. Make referrals team-centric. Invite 1, 2, or 5 friends, and when those friends reach level thresholds, level 10, 20, 30. Reach level thresholds, level 10, 20, 30. Both inviter and invitees receive bonuses. That encourages coordinated groups, sustained grind, and word-of-mouth growth. In a token rarity model, tie those referral rewards to limited edition drops. For example, the first 10,000 players who invite one friend and reach level 10 get skin A. The first 100,000 players who invite 5 friends and all hit level 20 share skin B. Limited counts create urgency while preserving the team-building incentive that made LoL explode. Fortnite's pivot, prototypes that reveal player preference. Fortnite started as Save the World, but exploded when a Battle Royale mini-mode took off. The lesson: be data-driven and let player behavior guide product pivots. Launch multiple modes, track engagement, and scale the mode that demonstrates stickiness. In a blockchain-enabled studio, you can prototype small token rewards for a new arena mode. If retention and virality spike, scale rewards and mint limited cosmetics tied to early adopters. True rarity without calling it NFTs. Enforce hard caps. True rarity equals every cosmetic has a fixed production cap. The studio defines the cap at mint time. 1,000 legendary, 10,000 epic, 100,000 rare. No more will ever be made. Implementation. Centralized scarcity. The studio keeps the ledger and enforces caps inside its servers. Simple. No visible NFTs. Fast UX. Cosmetics are limited and trackable. Scarcity is real, but you can avoid the stigma of NFT branding while still enabling trading and true rarity. Play-to-earn token mechanics. Rewards per match. Token issuance is tied to matches. Example, winners, 10 tokens per player. Losers, 5 tokens per player. MVP bonus, plus 5 tokens to MVP. Objective/metric bonuses, plus 1 token for each rewarded metric. Last hit on minion's boss. Tower destroyed, kill, assist, damage milestones, healing milestones, etc. Sample match math. A winning player with MVP status, 3 kills, 1 tower and boss last hit equals 10, win, plus 5, MVP, plus 3 kills, plus 1 tower, plus 1 boss equals 20 tokens. Team level issuance stays predictable because per player rules are fixed. Supply control. The token has a maximum supply. When 50% of that supply has been issued to players, match rewards are halved going forward, mirroring Bitcoin's halving idea for longevity. You will layer repeated halvings at subsequent thresholds, but halving at every 50% is a clear, player-friendly rule that signals scarcity. Create a marketplace where players list and buy cosmetics for game tokens. Key mechanics include listing and trades. Players list a skin for X tokens. A buyer pays tokens and ownership transfers. Studio fee. The marketplace takes a 5% fee in tokens on every trade. This fee can be split into part studio revenue and part token burn treasury. Royalty option. Enforce a small royalty, example 1% of the 5% to the artist for the skin on secondary sales, which compounds long-term revenue. This allows your player base to submit skins as ideas and earn for really good ones. Fiat exits allow players to sell tokens for stablecoin inside the marketplace. Players coast buy-sell orders in stablecoin, or the studio provides a market maker. This creates liquidity for players who want fiat value. This design keeps trading fluid, preserves scarcity, and gives the studio a sustainable revenue stream tied to secondary market volume. Cosmetics that pay passive income, collector incentives. Give cosmetics a tiny daily yield to reward ownership and spark collection behavior. Example ranges: common, 1 to 2 tokens day; rare, 3 to 5 tokens day; legendary, 6 to 7 tokens day. Rules and guardrails. Cap daily income per skin to protect tokenomics. Require skins to be owned and staked for 30 days, earning the total amount at the end of the 30 days for each skin to prevent farm flip abuse. Make passive payouts subject to overall supply and halving rules, so daily yields scale down as supply approaches caps. Passive yields make collecting meaningful and drive secondary market demand. People chase the recurring income, not just cosmetics. Minigames let players risk tokens for a chance at higher returns. Example flow: capture the flag stake match. Entry fee options: 25, 50, 100 tokens per player. Rules: winners split the pot proportionally, losers lose their stake. Add a small organizer fee, 2 to 5%, that goes to the studio or prize pool insurance. This produces high excitement, skill-based earning opportunities, and a marketplace for entry tournaments. Players can buy into or sponsor tournaments. Turn minigame arenas into advertiser assets. Monetize arenas by selling sponsorships. Brands buy arena naming, on-uniform branding, or highlight placement. Mechanics: arena sponsorships. Sponsor pays an upfront fee or per-impression fee to sponsor an arena for a season. Their logo appears on team outfits, banners, and the end-of-match highlight slide. Auto highlights: when a match becomes a shareable clip, the system appends a branded "Powered by Sponsor" slide for end seconds and tracks clicks. Referral tracking: every shared highlight auto-embeds the original sharer's referral ID and sponsor link, so ad clicks and new installs are traceable, enabling revenue split by sharer-referrer. This turns competitive gameplay into an ad vehicle where brands pay for impressions and players get sponsored exposure. Daily login and task systems to fuel habit and virality. Design a layered daily system. Streak reward: day 1 equals 1 token, day 2 equals 2 tokens, up to day 30 equals 30 tokens. Missing a day resets the streak to day 1. Streaks reset monthly to keep churn low. Daily activity bonuses: extra, +1, +5 tokens for completing activities like X matches, winning one minigame, or completing a challenge. Social tasks: studio posts or partner videos can be embedded as tasks. Players get bonus tokens for watching or sharing within a 24-hour window. This helps marketing convert gameplay into viral content and gives measurable compensation for promotion. Achievements: permanent one-time token awards for milestones, first 100 wins, 1,000 assists, collection sets completed. Seasonal ranking rewards, competitive earning. Create ranked seasons with tiered payouts at season end. Example token bonuses by tier: single season payout. Bronze equals 100 tokens, silver equals 200 tokens, gold equals 400 tokens, platinum equals 600 tokens. Diamond equals 800 tokens, master equals 1,000 tokens, challenger equals custom premium, e.g. 1,500 to 2,000 tokens, plus special limited cosmetics. These bonuses make climbing ranks directly valuable and help sustain engagement as players chase seasonal payouts. Players can play for free and still earn tokens by participating normally. Token rewards don't force pay to win. They reward time, skill, and contribution. Studios maintain in-game balance by limiting token issuance, halving issuance as supply grows, burning a portion of trading fees, and providing token sinks, cosmetic purchases, crafting, entry fees. The experience of gameplay remains unchanged for those who don't want crypto friction, but for players who do, the economy is real and accessible. Why this is also better for the studio. The Pokemon lesson. Look at Pokemon card economics. Rare cards like Charizard soared in value after the fact, but the studio missed resale royalties across decades. With a marketplace and enforced scarcity, even a small royalty, say 1% per trade, compounds into meaningful long-term revenue tied to secondary market activity. Combine royalties with a 5% marketplace fee, sponsorship revenue from arenas, entry fees from minigames, and occasional direct cosmetic sales, and the studio captures ongoing value, while players capture value through earning and trading. This multiplayer battle arena play-to-earn model by Shadowthorn Studios covers sustainability, cap supply, have rewards at thresholds, implement token sinks and fee burns, design fairness, balance play rewards to avoid pay-to-win, prioritize skill objectives. UX. Hide messy blockchain jargon when you want mainstream appeal. Present ownership and scarcity in friendly game language. Monetization mix. Cosmetic drops, marketplace fees, sponsorships, entry fees, and small royalties, all scale with player engagement. For more from Shadowthorn Studios, please like and subscribe.